بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, so the next thing we'll try to understand, there is something called in and out, the directions. If you remember, while we are doing the configurations for our weight or the local preference, we have used this direction because whenever you're applying a route map, and that route map may contain anything. It may include any of the attributes information, like we used weight or local preference, or it can be any other attributes like AS path or MED. There are plenty of other attributes can be applied, or communities. So when you are applying to the neighbor, we need to define the direction in general here. That's something you must define. Now to understand, now in order to apply the direction, the proper direction, we need to understand the in and out options. Now this in and out is totally different from normal in and out, what we do in ACLs or anywhere. Now basically first we need to understand what is the meaning of in means for receiving routes. So when I say neighbor, whatever the neighbor, 1.1.1.2, when I'm applying in means, it means for receiving routes. Nothing but incoming routes. Now in means here incoming, whereas out means outgoing routes. Outgoing means which are being advertised. Now there are two types of routes you will have on every router. So one is the routers is receiving the routes from the neighbor, and there are some routes which we are advertising to the neighbor. So if you see the direction of the routes are being learned or received, we call them as inbound, and whereas when you are sending the routes to the neighbor, we call it as outbound. So that's typical. You need to understand what is in. In means it means for receiving routes or advertising routes. So if you remember in our example, when we applied the weight or local preference, we have applied inbound. Because normally you are receiving the routes from the neighbor, and whatever the routes you are receiving, I'm going to apply the attribute for the receiving routes. So in my case, if you get back to my topology here, in this case, I said I'm going to apply this neighbor in, which means, now what this means is from this neighbor, I'm receiving the routes. I'm receiving plenty of routes, okay? There are plenty of routes I'm receiving. I'm going to tell that out of all the routes I'm receiving, I want all the receiving routes. I want to check the route map. And this route map is going to tell that if the routes, out of all the receiving routes, if the routes belongs to these two subnets, then you apply the local preference. So which means the local preference should be applied only for the routes which are received, not for all the prefixes. Normally, if you remember, in the previous example, we have applied the local preference without using any route maps. Now this means it is going to apply for all the prefixes received from on this router. But whereas when you are using here, it means it is going to apply for selected prefixes, whatever I'm receiving. So normally when we use local preference or weight, we always use inbound, because this typically applicable for the routes which are being received, and you want to make changes on the local router. So any changes, whatever you do, these changes will apply on the local router or maybe the local AS. If you use weight, then it will be applied on the local router, also local preference. But whereas if you're using local preference, it will be applied to the entire AS. So whenever you're using in, the changes will be applicable on the local router or the local AS path. And typically weight and local preference are commonly used inbound direction, because you want to make changes on your local router or the local AS. And again, these two attributes will tell how to exit the AS. Of course, what to do, that will be decided by the attribute. But there are some attributes which we'll be seeing in the advanced BGP sections normally. Like there are some attributes like AS path, metric or MED. These attributes are slightly, the way they work will be different. What this means is, like sometimes you may want to apply the attribute to the outgoing routes. Means, let's say I have some prefixes. I'm advertising some prefixes, 14.0.0.0 and 14.0.1.0. And I want to apply the attribute to these routes, and I want to send them after applying the attribute. Now, in this scenario, we use outbound. Because here, I'm not applying the changes on my local router. I want the changes to be applied on the neighbor router. So which means whatever the changes you see, the changes will be done on the neighbor router. So in that scenarios, we use out. So there are few attributes which uses outbound, like AS path and metric. Probably if you learn these attributes, you'll get a more clear picture how they work exactly. But here I'm just trying to give you the difference between in and out. So sometimes you want to apply some attributes to the neighbor router, not to the local router. In that scenarios, we simply say out, which means advertise the routes. And while you're advertising, attach these attributes and send it to the neighbor. So when the neighbor receives, it's going to apply this attribute, and then it is going to add those routes in the BGP table, which means even though the configuration is done here, but the changes will be applied on the remote router. Okay, so there are some specific attributes works in that way, like there is MED, AS path prepending. Basically, they are used in a different purpose, like opposite to this one, like how the traffic should influence or incoming traffic. But the main thing you need to understand here is it will be applied to the specific neighbor, not applied to the local router. But whereas inbound means it will be applied to the local router and for all the receiving routes. Inbound means receiving routes, and outbound means advertising routes, which will be applied to the neighbor router.